Example, how to solve the projections of solids by using AutoCAD software. First, we will go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom enter, all enter, and go to line. Select some arbitrary point on the lower left side, lower left point of the screen. Click on the first button of the mouse and drag the cursor to the right side. And again take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and then drag the mouse to the upper side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this line and offset to the left side. Similarly, you take it offset, take the distance as 210, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Now go to fillet, select between this line and this line. Similarly, horizontal and then vertical, between vertical and then horizontal. Then go to zoom window, select this and go to dtext, specify start point, select some top left corner and specify head as 4 and take the rotation angle as 0 and type the problem number 143. Then go to a square pyramid, 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length. Press on HP on one of its corners of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis of the pyramid inclined to HP at 40 degrees and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Now you take the type layer and click on new. Select the layer name as XY and enter. Click on new layer, take visible, enter. Click on new layer, go to invisible, then click on new layer and go to axis and say enter. Then go to layer 0. Select the line weight of layer 0 and make it as 0.05 and say OK. Layer XY, make the default as 0.13 and go to layer, take the visible edge as 0.5 and say OK. Then go to layer invisible, you make it 0.3 and say axis line, you take this as take 0.05. Then go to layer invisible, click on continuous, click on load. Select this and type hidden and say OK and click on hidden and say OK now. Then similarly click on the axis layer line type, then click on continuous, click on load, type C center, then say OK and click on center and say OK. So once you assign the line type and line weight, then you just close the layer, then go to polygon command and take the number of sides as 4 and take the edge option, select some arbitrary point and click on first button on the mouse and take at the rate 35 angle less than 45 degrees. Then go to move, select this, move it here and then bring it down. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this and take INT of this and take INT of this. Then go to line, to take the horizontal line and draw a horizontal line and then go to offset, take the distance as 60 mm you select this line and offset to the top side, then go to line, take int of this, draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and draw perpendicular to this and then perpendicular to this. Then similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this and then draw int of this and then int of this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two and then erase this line. Then go to select between this, then you select this, then you select this and you select this. Then go to ch, then go to layer, click on visible and say escape. Then switch on the line weight display. Then go to group, select this objects 1, 2, 3 and 4 and make it as a group. Then go to copy, select this, copy this to the next position and go to rotate, select this, take intersection point of this. So what is the rotation angle? 40 degrees. So you type -50 and enter. Then go to move, select this and move it somewhere some distance inside. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and take int of this and take int of this. Then go to take int of this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this, trim this line and trim this line as the this one. Go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this and take fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take int of this and take intersection part of this and say close. Then go to line, take int of this and int of this, then take intersection part of this. Then go to break, select this line, take first point, int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and also the edge which is near the observer is visible. You just go to layer, take it visible and then here you just click on this and click on this, go to layer, take it invisible and take the line type as 10. Then you take it as 15 and say OK. Then go to group, select this group, select this entire thing and then say OK. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw a horizontal line and then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to copy, select this, copy this to the new position and then go to rotate, rotate this, take the angle intersection of this and take 45 degrees. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, select this, move it and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then similarly, go to line, take intersection part of this and then draw a line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this, then intersection point of this, take int of this and then int of this and take int of this and line intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and similarly line int of this and take intersection point of this. then go to zoom window. Here now now we are going to have the condition of visibility. Once you have the condition of visibility, here you take all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So here the surface near the observer is also visible. Here these are the boundaries of the edges and these are the exterior edges of the boundary. As the two edges are visible, then naturally the third edge is also visible. So go to layer, click on visible. Then here, then click on this, take the layer and make it invisible and say the distance as 15, then escape. Then go to layer, click on this, go to axis, select this and make this as 15 mm and then escape. Then go to zoom previous, click on this and select on this, then go to layer, click on XY, and now we have go to the text. So you click on this, type X, you type VP, you type HP, you type Y, and switch off the switch off the caps lock and type small letter A, B, C, D, and say O, and say O1. And here you type O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, and here it is O1 dash. And yeah, then zoom, take it near to the screen, then say escape, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you take X, you type vertical plane, and you type horizontal plane, you just go to move, here it is B, here it is C, here it is D, here it is O, here it is O1, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is D dash, here it is C dash, here it is O dash, here it is O1 dash. Then I go to copy, select O dash and copy it here, then go to C dash and you copy it here, then you go to B dash and you copy it here, then D dash, you copy this here, similarly it is O1 dash, you copy it here, then go to A dash, you copy this here, then copy B, copy this B here, and that B will come here, then here it is O, you take O here, then C, you copy the C here, and that C will come here, then go to erase this line, then go to move this here, then go to copy this O here, then go to O1. Since AB this side is visible, so this becomes invisible, and that again this will become invisible. Then go to D, you select this point D here, you copy this here, then go to A, you select this A here, and that here will be copied here, then go to move, that D will come here, then move O1 on this side. Then now we need to give the front view, so you just you type A dash, here you type B dash, here you type C dash, here you type D dash, here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash are visible. So since portion of all these base is visible, so O1 dash is also visible. Then go to the text, again you click on this, you make it as O dash and say enter. Then go to move, select B dash and place it here, similarly O1 dash and you place it here, then D dash you place it here, then C dash, you place it here. Now we go for dimensioning. So to do that DDIM, go to modify, go to precision, make it 0, go to text, take the text height as 4, align with the dimension line, offset from the origin and go to vertical, centered is above, symbols and arrows, arrow size as 4, then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. So dim aligned, select object, you select this and go to text. So here you type square of 35, enter, you just click here, then go to dim vertical, select intersection part of this and take intersection part of this and take the height as 60, then dim angular, select this line and select this line and make this angle as 40 degrees, then go to dim TED, select this and you select this line, then dim angular, select this line and you select this line and make this as 45 degrees. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing done in AutoCAD software. And then boom, and then move this and place it here, then go to break this line till here, and again you just move this inside and then go to zoom previous, then go to save, click on save, go to appropriate drive, go to solid drawings and type P143 and save it, and finally you exit the